Welcome to 10 Nightingale Street, architecturally renovated and brought to life with 2 levels of streamlined modern living, showcasing the best of contemporary finishes. With nothing left to do, simply turn the key and call 10 Nightingale Street home. The demand for quality inner city homes is becoming insatiable, with most realising the importance of comfortable surroundings in light of recent events. It's easy to see why Balaclava has quickly become one of Melbourne's hottest pockets, known not only for its own lifestyle village along Carlisle Street, but also for its gateway to Elwood, St Kilda and Windsor entertainment precincts. If you're looking for local amenity, comfortability and a home that you can show off to your friends, then 10 Nightingale Street is the one for you. My name is Zoe Cherry and I look forward to meeting you soon.